YouTube, I have two accessories here for the Cybertruck. I'm going to be putting on a kind of a cover for this area and for the back area right here, just to cover that up. As you can see, there's these little fine scratches that develop here, and just all kinds of things. I should have probably done this a while ago, but I even tried to wipe this down with some Armor All, and it doesn't all come out. So I got these here from a couple of different companies. These are, I'll post them, but I mean one of them is from ESVNE. I'll post it, and one is from Luckeasy, and I'll kind of show you what these are and how you put them on. Okay, the first one here, it's pretty much cover here. It actually looks pretty nice. It actually kind of takes away from some of the issues that have developed there, and it's nice that it covers this emergency opening here. So I'll have to lay it out here for a little bit for it to kind of straighten up, but as you can see, that's pretty much how it stays on. It just has multiple areas, and that's kind of how it goes on. So I'm gonna work on that. This is some interesting packaging, but I just probably need one of these to take it apart. The product that goes back there actually came with just some information about the product, how you can clean it, and that's pretty much what it comes with here. So just to have this one out here to kind of open up there, but I can use that to put this on, and just kind of, I'll let you guys know what an easy way is to take this off. I would use this. I would use like a blade here to take this off. Otherwise, it can be kind of somewhat a pain in the ass to take apart. So I'll just kind of slide it on there, and it'll be much easier to take off. So just use a razor and make your life easier. Guys, I wanted to show you this product here, the Koch Chemie PSS. I use this oftentimes for my tires, and whenever I have plastic scratches that or imperfections that I can't get out. And you can see what I showed you earlier. I use when the Armor All products don't work well, I use this stuff, and man, it does such a great job. I mean, look at this thing. I had scratches all over this thing, and it's just, the vast majority of them are just gone. You know, and there's this one here that's kind of poking out. I probably can get it out if I rub more into it. You'd have to be careful with this. If you rub this on the fine plastic, that's I have this covered with this vinyl, but if you rub it too hard on this fine plastic down here, you have to be careful that it doesn't it kind of cause an area that's a little bit lighter, because the stuff is so darn strong. So just be careful with that, but it just works really well on plastic. It works great on tires as well. So I'll link that in the description below. Thanks. Right, got all the stickers off. Now I'm just gonna flip it around and put it on. Okay. So it has these lines here that fall right along the lines, or the little ridges there on there. So that's essentially how I did it. Is there still room to open this up? Yep, there it is. It opens up fine. Close that back up. All right, so there it is. I might stretch it out a little bit here. Okay, stretch that out a little bit. Make sure it's all lined. So it did okay with the Koch Chemie. These are pretty much embedded in there. It is unfortunate that that we had to wait this long, but oh well. Better than having a lot of scratches. So I'm going to put this other piece on. So here's a product that's going to go there. It's the same kind of deal. I'm going to have to take off all these in order to get it there. Pretty tedious, but not horrible. All right, guys, finally got this piece on. It's a bit difficult. I did have to move my spare tire, and I had to lift up the my existing mat that's on there, my bed cover. These were a bit difficult to put on. I did have to pretty much hold it in place and push just to get it to stick and mold. and it's, you know, still not perfect here, but I may even put some 3M double-sided tape on this side. I don't want to do that yet. I just want to give this time to adhese, because you know, this is also Velcro. This also comes off, and I want to be able to take it off once when I need it. But I did have to, in order for it to stay, it was kind of coming off. In order for it to stay, I did have to kind of go one end to the other and just kind of hold it, and kind of even use my knee to kind of put in place while I held this area here. And for the most part, I think it's doing fine, and it's actually a nice barrier here. I think this will definitely protect it well. So I actually really was kind of getting frustrated when I was first putting it on because of, again, not easing all the way. This is kind of sticking out a little bit, but like after I kind of got it to hold here, this is just something I can probably fine tune by putting some 3M tape on here. But this looks like it's pretty well in place and should protect this well. Final product here. Let me flush that out, clean that up. Final product here. Okay, there's the final product up there. Looks pretty good. It blends very well with the truck. I think this is a fairly good purchase. This is about $42 here, and that is about, I think it was $59. So not bad. Yeah, so far so good. All right, thanks for watching.